Lourdes Central School. Gearing up our education apostolate through moral and spiritual values, and making it life-enhancing especially for the poor and marginalized.
ഉന്നമടക്കായലോളം കൈകൾ കൊട്ടിക്കളിക്കട മേളം
This isn't just a festival, it's an explosion of joy, unity, and a dynamic celebration of our rich culture. This tradition ignites our spirits, filling us with unstoppable energy and pride. Respected teachers, fellow students, and staff, Onam holds profound significance in Kerala, arriving at a time of great importance. As a community, we come together to celebrate this festival and embrace the prosperity it heralds. In honoring this auspicious moment, let us first seek the Almighty's blessings through the universal prayer, Our Father, and then join together in singing the prayer song. May the glow of this auspicious lamp infuse our lives with prosperity and light throughout the celebration.
India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular.
മഹത്തായ ലക്ഷ്യം, അറിവ് സമ്പാദിക്കൽ, കഠിനാധ്വാനം, സ്ഥിരോത്സാഹം എന്നിങ്ങനെ 4 കാര്യങ്ങൾ പാലിച്ചാൽ എന്തും നേടാനാകും. If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Thank you.
The words are deeply inspiring and set a positive tone for what lies ahead. Let's take a moment to catch up on the latest news. Bringing you today's top headlines, we have Adarsh and Manula of Class 11.
നാലാമത് ക്വാഡ് ഉച്ചകോടി യുഎസിലെ ഡെലവേറിൽ സെപ്റ്റംബർ 21
പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി അംഗീകരിച്ചു. ജലവൈദ്യുത പദ്ധതികളെ വികസിപ്പിക്കാൻ കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാർ 12.
So, the true meaning behind today's celebration. Skandar Nambiar of Class 12B will take us through the significance of Onam, highlighting the traditions and the spirit of unity that makes this festival so special.
Of being a Malayali, or ranking Mahabali or Mavali as it's called colloquially, a beloved ruler who brought prosperity to Kerala. While some call it a demon king, Kerala seems a symbol of generosity. As legend goes, Lord Vishnu in his Vaman avatar asked Mahabali for 3 sets of land. With just 2 steps, he covered heaven and heaven. With no space left, he offered his head, leading to his exile. He was allowed to return once a year, which we celebrate today as Onam. Today's Onam reflects modern times. Sadhya ordered from restaurants, Pookaram or social media posts rather than real ones. This 21st century Onam is really an instant Agra Onam. Yet Malayalis around the world dress up in mundus and saris to celebrate. Mahabali has also transformed from a pot-bellied king to a six-pack-headed man. To Mahabali, if you are watching us, we await your return, hoping to make Kerala as prosperous and harmonious as it once was during your rule. Thank you.
And the deeper meaning of Onam. Your words have given us a greater understanding of the festival's traditions and significance. Let's now experience the joy of Onam through some enchanting songs performed by the students of class 11 and 12.
പാടിക്കളിക്കുവാനായി
നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. അവർ ജ്ഞാനത്തിലും അറിവിലും കൃപയിലും വളരുന്നതിന് അങ്ങയുടെ സ്നേഹം നൽകി അവരെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു.
Staff members and students, how are you all? I'm also fine, thank you. Dear staff and students, as we come together to celebrate Onam, I extend my wishes to each one of you. Onam is a time of joy, unity and cultural richness, symbolizing the harvest season and the return of King Mahabali. May this Onam bring you and your families abundant joy, good health and prosperity. As we celebrate Onam, put our hands together to wish all the students and staff members from the state of Kerala with a thunderous applause.
And now I invite students of class 4 to speak on the topic cleanliness. Beautiful unites our community. May it also bring us closer to our dreams and aspirations. May the joyous echoes of Onam fill your heart with happiness, and may the Onam Kodi wrap you with the warmth of prosperity. This assembly was brought to you by students of classes 11 and 12 under the guidance of Ma'am Jayashree. Thank you for sharing this joyful celebration with us. You a joyous Onam filled with happiness, prosperity and the company of your loved ones. Onam സന്തോഷത്തിന്റെ സൗഹൃദത്തിന്റെ ഉത്സവത്തിന്റെ ഉത്സവമാണ്. ഈ ഓണം നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ സൗഹൃദവും ചിരിയും സന്തോഷവും നിറച്ചു കൊണ്ടിരുന്നു.